Hey y'all, today is December 22nd. It is day 22 of my 25 days of Christmas. And this is the mold that I did last night. I did these with UV resin and they would not cure. So I figured that if I put them in the freezer, they would harden up enough for me to be able to at least get them out of the mold in a solid piece because it would be frozen. Well, I had asked for suggestions and Miss Marcy said that I could put water on them. Well, the problem with that on these were the tops were cured, the bottom was not, and I didn't want to take them out because they were so liquidy in spots. I figured that if I had them in the freezer and they got solid, they would collect moisture from being in the freezer. So when I took them out, they were solid. So I went ahead and run them under the curing machine like on 90 seconds. I did it 6 or 7 times. Still not cured. Well, I was hopeful. But I'm going to go ahead and take them out of this mold because I want to use this mold tonight. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It's so disappointing. And this is such a cute mold. As you can see, it is still liquid underneath. See how they're turning out. Very, very, very disappointing. This one, as thin as it is, did not cure. I didn't even put a lot of resin in that. You can tell that is very, very thin and it still did not cure, and I don't understand what's going on. Oh my goodness, look, can you see the baby Jesus? I didn't even get any on him. It's open. That's cute. I'm going to see if I can use this to cure what's in there now. I don't know if it's going to cure at all. But I'll bring you back when I get ready to start tonight's actual video. Alright, I think I finally got them cured enough that they're not liquid anymore. They're still kind of sticky. The pieces themselves, they're not, they're no longer liquid. And they might be a little bit sticky, but that's okay because I could put them in another project. That's fine. I'm going to, oops, sorry, dogs messing around with my feet again. But tonight I have this much ResinCrete left over in this bag. And I really like some of these. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour on top of this to see if I can actually manage to get this stuff out. I'm going to go ahead and pour over top of these, and there's a couple more in here. I might, like this one here, it says peace, love, and joy. I like that. So I might go ahead and pour that one. I'm going to go ahead and pour these again. Hopefully they come out right. I'm going to pour these two, and then I'm going to pour the peace, love, and joy. If I have enough ResinCrete. I don't know how much there actually is in this little bag. I forgot to get water. I'll be back. I'm gonna use this little spoon again. Alright, I'm getting them as even as possible. I know that don't look even, but if you look on the side over there, there's not that much. There's one. Two. Three. Four. 5. Okay, I got 16 in there. So I'm going to add the water, which means I need 4 scoops of water. I'm gonna add some more water in here because I don't think I have enough. One, 2. I'm going to use this end to stir it up with. I need a touch more water because that's not enough. Oh, that was probably too much. I'm going to quickly put one more scoop or a little bit of powder in it because I think I've got it too liquidy and I want this to come out right. Alright, let me get that mixed in real quick and then get these poured because I know it's going to be against the clock since I added some more. I'm going to pour it in this one. Probably even enough for that one. Maybe it is. All right. Very good, very good. All right. I'm going to go ahead and mix up some more and get these filled up, and then I'll bring you back to see what they look like when they come out of the mold. Well, as you can see, I got the stars poured, and I only got one of these, and I was only able to get one of these. That was all that was left in that bag to be able to do this amount. But I'm going to start with this one because it is the thinnest. I didn't have enough to completely bring it to the top. So I'm going to flip this over and they all might fall out at the same time. I don't know. All right, and try to tap that one out. Is it coming? Yep, it's coming out, I think. Oh, wow. This is what happened. And that would be that they're resin. And it is just peeling right on off of here. That is so weird. Because it is supposed to be able to stick. Well, I'm not sure if JDiction ResinCrete is supposed to stick to resin or not, and I don't know if it's supposed to stick to UV resin or not, but it obviously isn't sticking to this one, and that just peeled right on off. Oh well, either way, this is still a cute little mold. I like it because you can't really tell a whole lot from it just by looking at it until you actually pour it. And the things that we had poured before these, you can't really tell a lot about them. Not really, because of how the resin ended up doing. It's kind of wavy, ripply. I don't know how to explain it. It's really cute. Oh, I don't know how I managed to do that. It's like there's some missing right there, but that's okay. I will end up having to put this one in something else because of how thin it is. It's going to be really fragile. Alright. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Same thing with this one. Man, if that gold had stayed on there, that would have been so pretty. Now I'm going to have to try to get it off. It's kind of sticking and kind of not. It is weird. It feels like, well, you know how when you use glue and it starts getting tacky? This is what this feels like. And I'm able to actually push it down and make it stay. That is so weird. And it feels so weird. This one. Oh, I just broke the thing. Did you hear it when it popped? And look at that. The stuff stayed in that one. Alright then. That'll be something that will go into another project to be a filler space. And look, now it's not shiny anymore. I'm gonna end up having to soak this mold to get that stuff out. I hope this one comes out without breaking the... Please come out. Oh yes, it came out. It came out. Please be good. Please be good. Please be good. It is good. It is good. Oh my gosh. It's got a little teeny, it's got a few little teeny tiny, let me see. It's got a little micro bubble right there at the bottom of the V. However, if I fill that V in with something, you'll never be able to tell it. And then there's a micro bubble right there. But same thing with that P. If I fill it in, I don't think you'll actually see that much. And these are supposed to be earrings, but I plan on using them for little Christmas ornaments. This one just turned out so cute. I really like this mold. I'm definitely going to end up having to pour it with epoxy resin and see how it comes out then. Y'all, these molds just pick up so much. There's glitter all over it from when my granddaughter had her glitter project. I ended up having to let her do the last bit of it by herself, and oh my gosh, I don't know what she did. I haven't even looked at her video yet, but there's glitter everywhere. But anyway, let me see. I have a yellow bag from Dollar General. We'll use that. There's that one. That one I'll have to, I think I could still use it. I don't know if I can actually get this stuff. I mean, it's not going to come off because, like I said, I can, well, maybe it will. I'll try. Maybe I can take tape to get it off. Anyway, if I can, that one will be really good. No big issue, no big deal, no problem with that one. That one broke off, but that's okay because I can use it in something else. No big deal, nothing to cry about. But this one is just lovely. It definitely needs to have the words filled in because it is so cute. Alright, y'all. This was day 22. Today has been, oh, it's been a bad day. I have 3 days left. And day 25, I'm kind of anxious about because Miss Marcy and I'm basically kind of doing a face-off with a mold. So y'all be sure to watch. But anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.